What's up mga papi? Happy Sunday! Dito tayo sa Ayala today and for the part 3 of our usapang runner's knee. So, paano nga ba natin maiiwasan magkaroon ng runner's knee? Here are 5 tips to avoid runner's knee. Number 1, strengthening exercises. For our strengthening exercises, we can focus on quads, glutes, hip, and core exercises. Mga sample exercises are clamshells, lunges, and bridges. Number 2, proper warm-up and cool down. Dynamic stretches before run and static stretches after run. Number 3, gradual progression. Follow the 10% rule. Don't increase mileage more than 10% every week. Number 4, practice cadence training every week. Target at least 170 to 180 steps per minute to minimize impact. And number 5 mga papi, kailangan natin ang proper footwear. Replace your shoes every 600 to 800 kilometer and get a gait analysis if possible. Paano naman kung meron ka ng runner's knee? So let's talk treatment on our next video. So that's it. That's our Sunday runner's knee chikahan. Happy Sunday. Run, 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 Ayala.